Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have CRO daily update. We are going to see the next price targets and make a very interesting technical analysis. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, take easy profits, and of course you will trade exactly 200 altcoins and you will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell them. You can find the links in the description box and in the comment section. It's either you choose Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee platform or our site, okay, our brand new site, Bill Minds Your Crypto. You can get many other benefits, including a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, spine scripts for trading you, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into CRO against USDT on the daily frame. Okay, so each candlestick represents 1 day of price action. We are going to see first the risk metrics. Okay. And right now we will see something interesting. Although we had an extreme oversold situation with the commodity channel index, you can see when this purple line right here going down from this gray zone, okay, we are having an oversold situation. That means too many sellers have stepped in. And when we see that in the daily frame, it is most likely that we are going upwards. But at the same time, we have to see the other risk metrics as well and how the price behaves to that oversold situation as well. So the stochastic RSI is not in an oversold. It was right here, but it can go down again. The Fisher transform the same. It was in an extreme oversold below this dotted blue line, and now it might go down again because it is not yet. But the RSI, the main thing that we have to look now is the RSI, okay, the relative strength index. We are seeing lower highs and lower lows. Eventually, if we can go past above this high right here, so let me just put this line so you can see it. Okay, if we can go above this line, then we can grow potentially even more and go even higher. But at this time, it doesn't look like we have a great scenario right there for CRO against USDT on the daily frame. Okay, but at the same time, we are going to CRO against Bitcoin chart. We are going to see something very important right here. And that is this blue line right there. Okay, you can see that we might be having an ascending triangle, or if we break down, this would be worse, even worse for CRO against Bitcoin chart. I really hope that we can keep this line right there. Okay, the 0.401055 around this area right there. Okay, if we go down and break down, then we will go to the next target, which will be the support levels of around this area right here, the 0.4050, 976 and the 0.50931. If we go down there, then of course CRO against USDT chart will be going down. But if we can manage to stay into this line, all right, we might manage to stay into this line, then what are the next price targets for CRO? The next price targets for me would be even to go towards the 0.401204. Okay, that means we can even go further upwards for CRO against USDT as well. And let's dive into the depths of the price analysis right there for CRO against USDT. Now, what do we see right now? We have one very important bottom trend line, this yellow line right here. This is our bottom trend line. You can see that we had another bottom right here back on 4 December, and now we stopped around this area right there. If we go down, what happens? We will see actually how many chances we have to break above, how many chances we have to go down, and so on. Because as we are seeing, we have one top trend line as well, and we are getting also into a squeeze point right here where you will see higher lows, higher highs and higher lows maybe, but at the same time the price action won't be so volatile. So let's see the bottom trend line. Right now, if we go down, let's take the part that we are going down from this bottom trend line and we break down. Okay, first, in order for this to be a real breakdown and not a fake, okay, we have to do something like this. The price action has to stop at the bottom trend line again and then getting rejected, because we have seen multiple times getting a fake, okay, below this line and then going upwards as well. Okay, but let's say that we go down. What are the next support levels in case that we go down from this line right here? Okay, then what I will do personally is that I will draw the Fibonacci from this bottom to this top, and I will see lower support levels of the Fibonacci. You can see the 1.236 Fibonacci retracement. In order for you to set your settings right and properly, you can check out my video on Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so we have the 1.236, we can even go to the 0.40, and we might be able to go to the 0.38 as well. So if we break down this line right here, then we can go towards these price targets in which we might be finding a good buying pressure. Okay, around this area right here, we can find a good buying pressure for CRO, and this could lead to a further pump up, okay, especially the 0.38. But we have something bullish, okay? What if we have a breakout? Okay, what if Bitcoin decides to wake up and go higher, okay? And instead of going down, to go higher. What do we have right here? We can either break above. So what are the next price targets for CRO against USDT, and what can we do in the short term? So here we are, we have some important targets to make, and for me, one of the most important targets right now would be the 0.5089, in which the 50-day exponential moving average will probably go in there. So if we go there, then we will see if we can have a breakout. If we can't go above the 0.5093, we can even go to the 0.55. There we have a very strong resistance level in which we can see if we can potentially break it to go to this next target, the 0.6263 as well. None of these are financial advice, of course, that's my personal humble opinion right there. So you can see that we can go in there, we can go into the higher highs of CRO, and possibly for CRO against Bitcoin chart, especially if this is a reaccumulation phase, if this whole area right here is a reaccumulation phase, then we could potentially have a breakout, and then CRO could go even higher than the 0.68 USDT 0.68 cents. Okay, eventually for the weekly frame, if we check out, we are near the 20-day EMA, we have the stochastic saying to an oversold, and we want to see how the price will react into this oversold situation of the stochastic saying. At the same time, we want to see how CRO against Bitcoin will react. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, link in the description box, and in the comments section. You can get amazing profits, trust me, right there, and you will get benefits from this bearish market that we are right now. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.